Bakso bos, bakso, and sunset. So we are in the Legian. Look at this. Oh my god.
What's up? So we are in Legian right now, next to the Padma Legian.
Yeah. So Padma Legian is finally open, and then Bali Mandira hotels also next to Padma Legian
all hotels are
also open.
At least during the festive season, right?
Yes. So now we will have a Bintang in the Erika bar.
Erika Warung. Actually, we never been there, so it's the first time. If you watch my videos, you know as I'm quite often over here. So yeah, let's see how's the crack here, yeah?
Yeah,
Let's go. How are you, Erika, today?
Good, bagus. So happy. Finally I met her. Damian always here, but I never have a time to go to Legian because I was so busy working. And now I met her.
Very nice, so nice. Oh. Okay. Bintang Radler for me, yes?
Yeah.
We arrived at Erika Warung. Winnie's already talking with Erika, you know, how's the Balinese with Balinese, that's you know, but I just want to say is that Erika is feeding her dogs. So like I said already millions of times, Erika is really nice Balinese woman. If you ever coming to Legian, really worth to try this warung. I know every one of you have your favorite one warung, but if you don't have, just try this one. Sunset. Alright, so we are just chilling.
So yeah, we are in Legian Beach. Yeah, I'm so happy that finally Legian is much busier than before.
Yeah, definitely.
So now we would just want to say that the latest news. Sorry. The latest news is the first one. Nowadays, starting from 1st January until 14 January, international foreigners are not allowed to come to Indonesia.
No matter of what visa you have, even if you have kitas or something, you are not allowed for the 2 weeks. So that's the newest news.
If you are holding business visas and planning to come to Indonesia, so from 1st until 14th of January, so will be closed.
Yeah. News number 2.
News number 2 is that for those of you who are thinking that in Bali will be a New Year's Eve
it's not
party,
gonna be.
it's not gonna be happen because
the newest rule is as every New Year's party and firecrackers and stuff like fireworks.
Yeah, fireworks is not allowed.
Everything is not allowed.
There will be no New Year's Eve party. And the rules is that you are not allowed to have a New Year's party.
Especially Kuta Legian Seminyak, it will be totally nothing. Some places they didn't declare as they cancel yet, but of course we're not gonna tell you what's the names of the bars. Maybe they will still cancel, it's still time, but
some of the clubs we see that in Instagram, we see that in the website already declared that there will be no New Year's Eve party.
especially in Kuta and Legian, some in Uluwatu,
Some
but
in Uluwatu.
some still, but that's everything has possibly made change. And that's the only the news what is in this week. So if something new happened, we will inform you on the next vlogs. Yes, Kani?
Yeah. So when I arrived here, Erika told me that she was so happy that some people are coming here in her bar, and you know, she said like, you know, Ibu, some of the people, the visitors come to my bar and they said like, hey, are you Erika? Yes, I'm Erika. Yeah. I watch you guys. I watch Ibu. You are in YouTube, you know, from Mr. and Mrs. Monkeys. So I decided to come here. Oh, I'm super happy to hear that, guys. For those of you who come here in Legian, this is not paid endorsement, okay? This is how there are many also beach bars in Legian. So yeah, this is how it is, you know. If you come here, if you stay in front of the Padma Legian, in the Padma Legian or Bali Mandira, there are many. But this is our favorite one because the Ibu so friendly and then nice beautiful sunset in front of us. See this one.
So one thing about the rubbish, little bit of rubbish, what you saw on the beach around. Every year, since many years, it's like that, and this rubbish coming from different islands. It's not only as this is from Bali Beach, because you can find the rubbish, let's say plastic bottle or plastic cup or something, which let's say water, what is not even sold in Bali.
Yeah.
So that's very common thing, and a lot of local authorities, they trying to clean this every year. However, now the situation is very tough. You know, it's quiet businesses, they struggle with money, so it's little bit more visible than usual. However, this is very normal
As we see
thing.
that when on the way we come to Legian, we see that one big truck of you know, the cleaners. I can say that the people who really, you know, clean the rubbish on the beach, they're really doing good job. But you know, like now clean, tomorrow will come. Now it's clean, tomorrow comes.
And
so,
of course, to clean every single day, they need somebody needs to pay them. So it's very tough, but that's really common thing, and everybody working hard to fix this problem.
Yeah.
At least in the future. Bye, Erika. See you next time.
Alright, so now we are in Seminyak area. So after we have a Bintang in Erika bar, now I'm craving for Bakso. So this Legian is famous, especially this one, Bakso Gerobak Biru is famous in this Seminyak area facing sunset. Let's buy one. Bakso dua ya Mbak ya? Iya.
Buat berdua aja.
Pakai mie Mbak ya? Okay. So in this area Legian, this bakso is super famous. As you see, so many people here. Look, so many. So this bakso is famous. Bakso apa ada Mbak? Sapi aja. So they have a beef bakso, meatball, and also ayam ada nggak? Nggak ada. Oh yeah, they only have a beef meatball. So famous. Mau dikasih bumbu sekalian sendiri? Enggak. Okay, let's sit somewhere. Ye, lurus. tinggi. So this is bakso gerobak biru in Legian, so famous.
So we're gonna have a bakso. It's quite difficult to make a vlog because always somebody trying to sell me something. However, I have a bakso, as you can see, and this place
is the famous one.
the most famous place in full entire Bali.
Book in Legian.
Look how many people is around. So everybody, local bule, everyone coming here to eat bakso, and bakso here is very nice quality. So yeah, and they have a cola here, so that's very good. Alright, so as you can see, it's quite busy over here, very nice vibe. Check this out, the sunset is such an amazing color of sky in December, especially because it's a little bit of cloudy, so that's why the always sun and the sky is so beautiful. I will show you. Also quickly, and the bakso what we eat cost for the full bowl 15k, which is exactly like $1, $1.10 American one, or 150 Australian one. And yeah, so very nice, and Coke probably something the same, or yeah, very beautiful sunset.
Alright, so we already had our bakso actually, and then just right behind us, that one is Hotel Kumala Pantai. I know that one of our viewers, I forgot your name, I'm so sorry, because we have so many comments in our videos, that we just want to say Hotel Kumala Pantai is unfortunately closed, but we are just next to it. So thank you guys for watching our videos today. So this is how it is now in the holiday season, especially in Seminyak. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.